In this episode, let us learn how to design a deterministic finite automata to accept a string of A's and B's containing the substring AB. Let Q naught be my start state. To indicate Q naught is the start state, we will be having an incoming arrow like this. On Q naught, if my input symbol happens to be A, let us make a transition to one more state called as Q1 like this. On Q1, if my input symbol happens to be B, let us make a transition to one more state called as Q2 like this. And let's make Q2 as the final state. To make Q2 as the final state, we should be drawing two circles like this. Here, Q0 happens to be my start state and Q2 happens to be my final state. This is not the complete DFA because in DFA, every state should be expressed with all the inputs. If you ask me how many inputs are there, we have got two inputs. One is A and the second input is B. Q0 state is expressed with respect to input A, but we have not expressed with respect to input B. So we should be writing what happens when B is the input on Q0. So what I'll do is, I'll try to write a self loop on Q0 and I'll name it as B. So if my string is BAB, Q0 upon B, I'll be in Q0. Q0 upon A, I'll come to Q1. Q1 upon B, I'll go to Q0. So this string will be accepted. So I can have a self loop on Q0. So now Q0 state I have expressed with both the inputs. That is, I have expressed with respect to A and also I have expressed with respect to B. Now Q1 state has to be expressed with both the inputs. We have expressed Q1 state with respect to input B. Now we should be expressing it with respect to input A. So I'll try if we can write a self loop here. So I'll write a self loop on Q1 and I'll name it as A. So let me consider this string A, B. This string contains the substring AB. So on Q0, if my input symbol happens to be A, I'll come to Q1. On Q1, if my input symbol happens to be A, I'll be in Q1 state itself. On Q1, if my input symbol happens to be B, I'll be moving to my final state. So I can write a self loop on Q1. Now we should express Q2 state with both the inputs. Let's try if we can write a self loop on Q2. And I label it as A, B. Let me consider this string A, B, A. This string is having the substring AB. So this is a valid string. Q0 upon A, I'll come to Q1. Q1 upon B, I'll come to Q2. Q2 upon A, I'll be in Q2 itself. Q2 is the final state. So this is correct. Let me consider one more string A, B, B. This string is containing the substring AB. Q0 upon A, I'll come to Q1. Q1 upon B, I'll come to Q2. Q2 upon B, I'll be in Q2 itself. So this string will also be accepted. So this is the deterministic finite automata to accept a string of A's and B's containing the substring AB.